IFE is the largest fastener event in North America. We're continuing to grow every year with hundreds of new exhibitors, and if you're in the industry, this is the place to be.
So the International Fastener Expo is a great place to come to. You get to be educated, meet new people, you get to connect, sell your products, learn about new products out there, bring in suppliers, customers. It's just great all around.
Well, we really wanted to expand our customer base beyond where we are right now. So this is our first show, so we're newbies, but we're really encouraged and excited by the response we've already gotten. So we're very pleased.
The Fastener Expo is the best place to network. It brings together the manufacturers and the distributors all in one place, and we are here to make the connections.
It's a staple of the industry. You got to make it. You know, the relationships you build and the parts and products you get to see and experience and see the industry moving in a good direction going forward. It's just something you can't miss, and it's the only place you can see it all.
So the International Fastener Expo is the best place to meet all of your suppliers and all of your customers. Everyone's here. Every major player is in the building. They're stopping by. It's a great opportunity to develop new relationships and strengthen existing ones.
The international presence at IFE is continuing to grow, and so is global, featuring over 365 exhibitors from 14 countries, and we're expecting more growth from the countries like India, Korea, and Southeast Asian countries in 2024.
The International Fastener Expo is the one place to meet any and every vendor you might need in this industry. There is no other opportunity like this.
Anybody that's anybody is here, and if you're not here, you're not anybody.